Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Lipan Point delivers one of the most commanding views on the southern rim, and it does this without drama or build-up. You arrive, step forward, and the canyon immediately takes over your field of vision. This overlook faces a broad, sweeping section of the canyon where depth and distance are impossible to ignore. The land doesn't just fall away here, it stretches outward, layer after layer, until the horizon dissolves into color and haze. What makes Lipan Point stands out is perspective. From this angle, the canyon feels wider and more open than at many other viewpoints. Ridges run diagonally across the view, guiding your eye downstream rather than straight down. The landscape feels expansive rather than vertical. The Colorado River becomes easier to pick out from here. Far below, it cuts a thin, winding line through the rock, offering a clear sense of scale. The river looks calm from this distance, but its role in shaping the canyon becomes unmistakable when you see how deeply it is carved into the terrain. Light behaves differently at Lipan Point because of the wide exposure. Shadows move slower against the canyon walls, revealing subtle shifts in color. Reds, browns, and muted purples appear and fade as clouds pass overhead. Wind is often present here, moving steadily along the rim. It reinforces the feeling of openness and exposure, reminding you how little separates this viewpoint from the vast drop beyond it. There's a sense of flow at Lipan Point. The canyon doesn't feel static. The river, the shadows, the clouds, everything suggests long-term motion, even though the scene itself appears frozen in time. This is not a viewpoint that pushes you to take a quick photo and leave. It invites you to stay and let the scale settle in. The longer you stand here, the more the landscape reveals itself. Lipan Point doesn't rely on spectacle or crowds. It delivers a clear, uninterrupted view of the canyon's breadth and structure, offering a perspective that feels honest, expansive, and quietly powerful.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.